Mantle against USD. Here we are for Mantle. Mantle is still looking fantastic. So Mantle's ABC, I suspect this is already the bottom of C. I think we're coming back down just a little bit. And after that, we're coming back up to complete with D. So this will be a 1. We're coming down for a wave 2. We are in consolidation for a wave 2. Very likely, if and when the consolidation is done, we will see a wave 3. And then we'll see a wave 4, hopefully, and then wave 5. Hopefully, we get another wave E over here, right? A, B, C, D, E. Boom! Mantle goes bananas. Right, we have a target for Mantle. Ta-da! 250. Right now, we're at 73 cents. So I'm feeling pretty good about Mantle. I think Mantle will eventually reverse. The only question is how much lower are we going to go, right? So let's say if we pull up the Fibonacci retracement, I think Mantle is very, very bullish because we were anticipating lower highs, and then lower high, and then we get the inverse head and shoulders, right? However, the Mantle wheels push the price higher, taking out these highs. I'm like, what? Okay, so we may only stop at 0.5. Right, I mean, of course, we'll be anticipating 0.618. But the point is, we are retracing. And when things are red, that's when you make entries, right? Buy when it's red, sell when it's green. So we're dropping down. And I don't think we're going to close under these lows. I don't think so. So my take is 0.5. More likely than not 0.5. If we were to drop 0.600, I'm going to assume it's a very quick one before we continue higher. That's my take. Yeah, when things are really bullish, right? Okay, let's say for example right here, right? There was a big green candlestick here, and there was a retrace that came, right? Did we close below it? Okay, let me just check. What's the close? 5594. What's the open? 5587. So we never closed back under here. It is, and after that, we just continue higher, right? We'll close higher and higher, right? And higher. So you see, we keep going higher and higher and higher. The bullish trend, in my opinion, is really on for Mantle. I mean, of course, I could be wrong. Sure, you know, Mantle drops to 0 next day, next month, you know, next second, next week. We don't know. Things can always go to 0. But as it stands, I don't think we're going to take out these lows anymore. So my take is 0.5. We hit it, and then we start reversing back up, right? This could be a lightning move coming on. Boop, boop. Let me go back up. So my take is 0.5. And after that, I think Mantle should be continuing higher towards the resistance line. However, there's also a possibility that Mantle might stretch out over here. And this whole thing could become something like a wave E. So again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. But my take is that Mantle will stop at around 0.5 before reversing back up. There's a little bit of a noise here. So my guess is we'll probably clear these sell clusters. And after that, reverse back up for Mantle. So 250, baby.